Hello everyone. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mahogany James. I'm a hairstylist. I specialize in natural healthy hair and my salon is located in Atlanta, Georgia. This is a new client. She came in to get the Absolut Repair Molecular System. She's been dealing with some breakage and some shedding, so she came in to get this treatment. The Absolut Repair Molecular System repairs up to 2 years worth of damage in one use. It rebuilds the hair molecular structure and it restores strength and elasticity. This is a 5-step system, and of course, every service starts off at the shampoo bowl. So we are going to start off. I forgot to record the first step, which is the pre-treatment. You spray that on before you shampoo. So now I am doing the second step, which is the actual shampoo. This is a sulfate-free shampoo with bond-building peptides that penetrate beyond the surface to repair hair damaged by chemicals, color, and heat at the deepest molecular level. This exclusive technology visibly fights 2 years of damage in one use. I will shampoo her with this shampoo 3 times, and then we're going to move on to step 3, which is the rinse-off serum. So now I'm applying the rinse off serum. I will let her sit with this for 10 minutes and then I will rinse her, and then I'm going to apply the fourth step, which is the Absolut Repair Molecular Hair Mask. Now I'm going to rinse off the rinse off serum, and I'm going to apply the Absolut Repair Molecular Hair Mask, and I will sit her under the hydration machine for 20 minutes. All right, so now we are on to the blow dry process, but first I'm going to apply the fifth step, which is the leave-in. And I'm also going to use my favorite products, which is the Silk Recharge Spray Serum and the Sea Moss Blow Dry Spray. With these two products, you're going to get a heat protectant. It's going to add moisture and shine and make the hair very silky. And it's also going to reduce your dry time by 50%. All of the products that I'm using are available for purchase on my website, and I will also put the links in the description box. And I'm blow drying her hair with my favorite brush, which is the heat resistant detangling brush. Absolutely love this brush because I use this brush to detangle my client's hair, and I also use it to blow dry. This brush is a heat resistant brush, so the heat from this blow dryer is not going to cause the brush to melt. So this brush will last you a very long time. Now I'm going to flat iron my client's hair before I cut her hair. And I always have my flat iron set at 375 for each client. So if you guys see me doing 1 or 2 passes, it is absolutely okay because I flat iron on low heat and I also use the best heat protectants. Now I'm going to spray my favorite product, which is the Firm Holding Spray. I absolutely love this spray because it leaves a soft hold and it smells really good. Now I'm going to use my honey and avocado wax stick just to lay down any flyaways that you may have. I love this product because it does not leave that sticky, waxy feel. It is very lightweight. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to book an appointment with me to start your healthy hair journey, or if you just simply want to purchase any of the products that I use, you can visit my website, mahoganyjames.net. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to like and subscribe.